Hi there, welcome back to the channel. We're at episode 3 now of our Stuck in Central PA Christmas in July series. And if you missed the first 2 episodes, I will link them to this video. In our first episode, we did a resort tour of Pop Century Resort. And in our second Christmas in July video, we did a tour of Art of Animation Resort. And I hope you really enjoyed those. Those are my Christmas in July gifts to you. So our family went to Disney World on a trip in December of 2025. And it was my intention to edit and upload those videos. Well, unfortunately, we had a series of events, and I did make some videos about that if you want to check those out. They're on my earlier series, life updates, and it just kind of took me away from being able to do this channel, which it's my hobby. I'm a mom, most importantly, I'm a wife, I work full time, we have 4 dogs, 2 rabbits, a household to maintain, so my hobby sometimes takes a backseat to everything else that needs to get done. But now that things have slowed down a little bit, and I don't want to say that too loud, I actually have time to get in and edit my videos. And you might think it's a little odd that we're doing Christmas videos in July, but hey, lots of people and companies celebrate Christmas in July. So I thought, perfect time to talk about Christmas time in Disney World. If you've never been to Disney World during Christmas time, or if you go to Disney World during Christmas time and you just miss that holiday feeling, I hope that I could give that to you. So the first part in this series really is about resort tours. And one who doesn't go to Disney World might think that's kind of odd to do resort tours, but really it's not. Disney has such great theming in their resorts that we typically as a family take 1, if not 2 days out of our trip to resort hop. We check out the resorts that we've been to. We check out resorts that we probably won't be able to ever afford to stay in. So for this episode in the series, we're going to go to Animal Kingdom Lodge. Now, I have to tell you, Animal Kingdom Lodge, I've never stayed there personally, but we have resort toured multiple times, and it's my absolute favorite. The idea and theming behind it is an African vibe, of course, with animals, and the resort backs up to live animals. So you could be in your resort room and a giraffe can walk past your door, or a zebra, or any number of birds. So I hope you enjoy Stuck in Central PA, Christmas in July, Animal Kingdom Lodge.
Right here, right in front of us. I already did.
Oh yeah. Did you see that one, Dad? The fifth, the other one?
Oh, there's the boxes for the giraffes up there. Giraffe hay boxes. I wish we'd see some giraffe. Aww. Oh, there's a squirrel out there. You see it?
Is that Gizmo? Is that Gizmo? So Stephanie's the tallest one. Yeah. Yeah, Stephanie's the biggest one. But I thought that was
I'd visit you all the time. In fact, I'd move down here.
yeah, I like Gizmo better.